Hi everyone. So in this video, I will explain how to create a project which generates a password automatically. And in this task, it was given the question is given that password generator is a useful tool that generates a strong and random password for the users, and it aims to create a password generator applications using Python, allowing the users to specify the length. It means the user has to give the length of the s- password so that PC can generate a password for the user automatically. And it has a combination of random characters to generate a password of the specified length and display the password and check whether it is strong or weak or moderate. So for that I have taken the ASCII values of the small a alphabetical order and capitalized character order and the number starting from 0 to 9. If you see, the ASCII value of small a is 97 up to 122. Here 122 is the ASCII value for small z. Similarly, for the caps lock, capital A is 65, capital Z is 90, and ASCII value of numeric 0 is 48, numeric 9 is 57. So first I have imported. There are required modules named randint, choice, and shuffle from the package random. So I am having I have declared a function gen password which takes the length of the password from the user as a input as the input. Now I am declaring initializing a default string, and I am taking the list which has special characters like not, and, hashtag, dollar, percentage, and star. And I have taken a choice as 0123, and for each I am having one triggers, which this is for lowercase, this is the flag for uppercase, this is the flag for digits, this is the flag for special. So using the for loop I will go iterate over this, and I will append each character to this. After each iteration over these four choices, it will append each character to this new password string once again. So this is the my flag, which is by default is a false. When I am using for loop for this length, so for each length character at first index position, I will having the choice where new character is appending to the password. So for the first iteration, the password of the first character is my random integer choice 0, which means random integer, and it is 97 to 122. So this is for selecting the lowercase. Once it is passed, then the lowercase is true, so flag is true now. So in the password it contains lowercase. In the same way, if I iterate over the random choice based, and now PC has generated a number as 1 now. Now it will get the uppercase character and it will append to the string. So for the second iteration, it is till now it contains lowercase and uppercase. In the same way it will go for 12 times because I have given the password strength as 12. So for the 12 times, the PC will select a random choice out of 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, when it is going like that, for each character it is appending that. So if any one of the character is not selected, which means if the 3 is not random is selected, so it is missed, then it will remain the has special flag as false. Once the flag is false, then it will detect here, then it will detect here that the flag is not false, is not false, then it will append that special character explicitly. Once it is explicitly added, it will go on shuffling that password. Now after shuffling, my new generated password has been created here. So once again, so here I am having the ASCII values for all type of characters like small, lowercase, uppercase, and numerics. And here I am having the method which takes the password length. This is my string where I will append each character here, and each character can be generated automatically by the user choice out of 0, 1, 2, 3 numbers which is in the list. And this is the user PC choice based. So for each choice out of four numbers, if the choice is first for the first character is 0, it will append the lowercase. If the second iteration, if the PC choice is 2, then it will append the digit. If the PC choice is 3, then it will add the special character for the third iteration, and gone till the length is 12. Till then it will go on adding to the existing string, so it is updating the string for each iteration. So here each iteration for each character of that string. So if in that way, if the PC forgot or the PC didn't selected the choice 1, then it will, which means till the end, it the password doesn't contains any uppercase. When it is uppercase is not there in the password, then it will automatically detect here because the flag is not changed, so it is false. So it is not false. If it is true, not false means it is true. If it is true, then it will append the character explicitly here. So once it is done, so I will going to shuffle that password. Once it is password is shuffled, it will display this generated password. If I run this method is ready. Now I will use the while loop. Now here I will ask the user to give the password length. Once the password is length is given, it will tell that password is less than 4, then password cannot be generated. And if the password is between 7 to 4, then it is poor. If the password length is between 7 to 10, it is okay, it is better. If the password length is more than 10, then password is strong. And I will pass the password length as 10, so it will go here in this method. So for the 10 iterations for each character, it will automatically decide which character should be taken, either lowercase or uppercase or digit or a special character. So if I run this, and I will, let's see what will happen. If I run this, enter the length of the password. For testing that, if I press 2, it will ask newly generated password is star v, password cannot be generated, and I have to regenerate the password. Yes. Now if I press yes, then it is asking for to enter the number as 5. Now it is something poor. Regenerate new password, yes. Enter the password length as 8. Now the password length is better but not perfect. I want to regenerate, yes. If I say 12 characters of the string, then it will password is strong. Regenerate password, no, I don't want it, no. So this is my random password which is generated by the PC. So I am giving the character as 12. So user PC is selecting random choice out of 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So one this is my generated password. This is how it is happening. So entire thing is happening here only. So for each iteration, here only it is deciding which character should be taken out of special character, lowercase, digit, or uppercase. If anything is missed out of all the iterations, then it will handle here. So it will, in the last, it will add at least one character if it is missed here, because it will remain false. If it is remained false, then not false is always true. If it is true, which means the PC didn't selected for that character, so it will do here. After that shuffling, and generated password is will be displayed here, and it will the status of the password. Thank you. I will, in the next video I will explain how to give these emojis in the laptop, using the laptop. There is a shortcut. Thank you. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. I will solve them this your asked questions in the next video. Thank you.